cause of in this matter, as determined by Dr. Bedritsky, is tetrahydrozoline is a the intent to mislead and the motive for financial gain.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Jesse R. Kershevsky, guilty.
Misleading scene that caused investigators from day one to believe this was a pill was very intentional. Because of in this matter, as determined by Dr. Bedritsky, is tetrahydrozoline is a
Prosecutors accused Kershevsky of stealing money from Lynn Hernan and then killing her to cover up the fraud.
And there's an anomaly in her toxicology. There's a in her system that's not supposed to be there.
And what would that be?
It's called tetrahydrozoline.
What is that?
Commonly known as eye drops.
I've gotten the Visine for her. I never put any in for anything for her. Ever. Never. I bought it for her. That's as far as I've gotten. I've never even put it in her eyes for her.
Everyone at the scene concluded it was a suicide.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Jesse R. Kershevsky, guilty of first-degree intentional homicide.
Team has discussed this, and we really believe that the defendant's own statements in this case were extremely compelling evidence. Anthony graduated high school. Ms. Hernan's intent was to give him $200. So she wrote a check, and in the memo line, it says graduation. There's one other check in the form of a gift from this checking account. It's to Ms. Kershevsky. The memo line says gift. Look at the value of that check. $2,612.17 for a gift.
Jessie Kershevsky is charged with killing her longtime friend Lynn Hernon. Hernon, after drinking a lethal dose of Visine. Kershevsky admitted to police that she gave her a bottle of water with Visine in it. The prosecution says Kershevsky was in debt and deliberately put the Visine in the water bottle so she could take full control of the victim's $300,000 estate.